Is homesteading really living the dream or just another nightmare? Imagine waking up to the sound of birds singing, breathing in the fresh country air, and living a self-sufficient lifestyle. For many, homesteading represents the ultimate dream, an escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. But is homesteading truly a dream come true or a potential nightmare? In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of homesteading, diving deep into the rewards and challenges that come along with this lifestyle. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and join us on this adventure. Welcome to our exploration of homesteading, a lifestyle that not only speaks to our desire for self-sufficiency, but also offers a chance to reconnect with nature and live a more fulfilling life. Let's begin by uncovering the rewards of this chosen path. Firstly, homesteading allows you to have complete control over your food production. By growing your own organic fruits and vegetables or raising your own livestock, you can ensure the quality and safety of what you consume. As the saying goes, you are what you eat, and homesteading gives you the power to nurture your body with nutrient-rich homegrown goodness. Homesteading isn't just about food production. It's a way of connecting with nature and experiencing a slower, more fulfilling lifestyle. Reduced stress, better mental health, and a greater appreciation for the world around us are just some of the rewards homesteaders often highlight. However, like any pursuit in life, homesteading also comes with its challenges. It's important to be aware that this dream lifestyle requires considerable dedication, hard work, and a great deal of planning. Yes, it's breathtakingly beautiful, but there are days when you're up before dawn, working tirelessly, battling the elements and feeling overwhelmed by the sheer amount of work that needs to be done. It's important to know your limits and be prepared to adapt when challenges arise. In fact, studies show that homesteading can lead to higher stress levels, especially during the initial transition period, as you learn new skills and adapt to a different way of life. While these challenges can be fulfilling for some, others find them to be overwhelming. Like this couple who said, "We gave it our all, but it just wasn't the right fit for our family." The lack of free time, the financial strain, and the isolation were more than we anticipated. It's essential to consider your personal circumstances and goals before embarking on a homesteading journey. So is homesteading truly a dream or a potential nightmare? The answer lies within each of us. It's crucial to assess your own desires, skills, and support system before deciding if homesteading is the right path for you. Remember, homesteading can offer a rewarding and fulfilling lifestyle, as depicted by the countless success stories and happy homesteaders out there. But it's equally important to be realistic about the challenges and potential sacrifices that come with this lifestyle. As you embark on your own journey, take time to explore both the pros and cons, and join us here at the Sugar Run Homesteads podcast, where we will talk about everything homesteading. We will go over things like ways to generate an income, picking the land, greenhouses, gardening, and raising livestock. Then you can make an informed decision and create the life that's right for you.